In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play LEGO Fortnite 1v1 and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking about LEGO Fortnite and the modes available in here. So, when you switch over to LEGO Fortnite, the only option that you have is to select a world, and when you create any world, you will be able to choose between the standard survival experience, or you can go into something like sandbox. You also have expert and cozy. However, besides these modes, you will not be able to find anything related to 1v1 or multiplayer. So, a lot of people have been curious if there's any way to access a world with a friend so you can do 1v1, try to kill each other, compete against each other, and so on, kind of like a Minecraft survival 1v1. Well, sadly, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that as of today, LEGO Fortnite is primarily a single-player experience. As it stands today, they have no option to do 1v1. So, if you would like to 1v1, you will have to choose from any of the alternative modes, such as Fortnite, Battle Royale, or you have to browse between other fan-made maps. But as it stands today, for LEGO Fortnite itself, the official experience made by Epic, you will not be able to do 1v1. If you really want to do 1v1, the best option would be to look for a specific map in the LEGO style that allows you to 1v1 against your friends, because besides those, like I said, you will not be able to do it. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that LEGO Fortnite is primarily a single-player experience and does not feature any sort of 1v1 or multiplayer game mode. If you would like to 1v1 your friends with the LEGO Fortnite style, you will have to look into maps that mimic this, so look for islands and other things by using the code here. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy follow tips. Thank you for watching.